Assalamu alaikum, you are watching Desi TV USA. I am Tabinda Gul. Let's take a look a very special report by Mohammad Bachal Umerkot. According to the details, a seminar was organized by Umerkot. Report demand of livelihood skills among the school along with educations. All the stakeholders approved and passed the resolution. On this occasion, Additional Director Mr. Chandu Gmil agreed to the suggestion and assured to cooperate in all ways. After that, Madam Fauzia, Deputy Director of Education, also supported with suggestions and praised the work of Haqq Welfare Association team. Deputy DEO Secondary Rajab Ali and Deputy DE Mr. Ali Khan also assured to give all possible cooperation for the educations of girls in every schools of his district for the work and suggestion of HWA. Karamlahi District Coordinator to ensure all possible cooperation. This is me, Tabinda, signing off, and stay tuned to Desi TV USA.